Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, let's talk about how to trade futures trading on Huobi platform. So let's stay tuned. In today's episode, I will teach you guys how to do futures trading. Everybody knows about spot trading, but I haven't been talking a lot about futures trading before. But in this episode, I will teach you guys how to do futures trading as a beginner. So if you guys don't have a Huobi account yet, I'll put down the link at below. You guys can register straight away. And why futures trading? Because futures tradings give a lot of profit if you are good in doing technical analysis plus fundamental analysis. So it requires a lot of skills, a lot of knowledge. If you guys don't have the knowledge, please do not do futures trading because it will cost you a lot of money in the end. Okay, so this event, this whole big event, 100,000 USDT to give away for contract master contest. This is specially made for futures traders. So you can see event 1 and event 2, I actually talk on my TikTok channel. If you guys haven't joined my TikTok channel or haven't followed it, just follow my TikTok channel. I'll put down the link also below. My TikTok channel is all about short clips and very fast tips for my fans. Okay, so there is two events, event 1 and event 2. So the event 1 is straightforward. You just need to sign up this contest to get free USDT, and the event 2 is all about futures trading. So the more you trade, the more higher chances to get the ranking, but it is based on 20 highest total P&L ratio will be rewarded. So you can see the graph here, I mean the tables here, it's all listed here how much you'll be getting if you are listed among the 20 highest total P&L. You can see here the first one and the second criteria all will be listed here. I'll put down the link also so you guys can go through it. But let's get started how to do futures trading. So in order for you to join this event, first of all, you need to go back to the homepage and just click this button, derivative, and go all the way to USDT margin contract. So once you have done that, just click on it and you will able to go direct into futures trading. So futures trading, you can do buy and sell. Meaning that, right, easier to say, it's like you're going to casino and you are betting the bankers win or the player win. Means you're betting the buy or the sell wins. So if you bet for sell, which is short, here you can see the short here. If you bet short, meaning that if the price goes down, you'll be getting profit. But if the price goes up, then you'll be getting losses. Same goes with long or buy. If you bet for buy, meaning that you're hoping that the price will go up. If the price goes up, then you'll be getting a lot of profit. But the price goes down, then you'll be losing a lot. Okay, so how do you want to make sure that the price or the bet that you go in is correct? So the answer is there's no 100% correct. Even I myself, sometimes if I bet up, if I bet long, doesn't mean it will go up, it will go down a while, or maybe it will touch my TP, or my take profit, or my stop loss. So when you come to futures trading, there's one thing that you need to learn is risk management. Risk management is very important. It's not about how good you are in technical, how good you are in fundamental. It's most likely about how you prepare yourself in terms of the risk management. So let me give you an example. Let's say if you have 1,000 US dollar and you set yourself a rules, I only able to lose 1%. So $1,000, 1% is about $10, correct? So you already set a limit to yourself that you're only able to lose $10 a trade. So imagine that if you keep on losing $10, how many times you can able to play this contract? About 100 times. So 100 times, right? Impossible, you will lose 100 times straight away. Even if you go to casino, you go and bet, you bet buyer, banker, buyer, player, you always will still have some winning, although you have zero experience. But if you go to casino, you go and gamble, the chances of winning is usually 50-50%. I mean, the maximum winning rate is 50-50%. Either you bet player win or the banker win, correct? But let's say if you have technical analysis experience, you will increase the winning rate in this futures trading. Plus, if you have fundamental experience, then you will even enhance your trading experience, gain more higher chances of winning. Correct? So it's not 100%. If 100%, then nobody will lose money in futures trading. So in order to do that, the risk management is very, very important. Okay, no matter how good your trading is, if your risk management doesn't do well, then your whole portfolio will be very, very bad in the end. Okay, so in order for you to do some good risk management, I actually got a very simple Excel sheet for you guys. It's free. I'll put down the link also. This one is actually done by my friend. You can actually follow him, twitter.com/Susubuoy. Thanks to him, he actually created this calculator for beginners. So how do you want to use this? Okay, how do you want to use this? For example, right now you are in this futures trading chart. So usually I will set this unit in USDT, and this leverage is really depending on your preference. Okay, so for example, let's say I'm doing it on the BTC USDT swap. Okay, the first thing you need to do is, usually I'll play on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, for example, a 4-hour time frame. So the first thing you need to do is you need to know where is the support and resistance. But if you guys don't know or haven't go through the support and resistance video before, I'll put down the link also somewhere up here. You guys can actually take a look what is support and resistance. Okay, so support resistance is very easy. You just need to put somewhere. Okay, for example, if I put it here, it seems like it breaks through this this resistance level earlier today, because this previously was act as the support. This line act as the support. It break through, it went all the way down, and it goes all the way down to this level. So this level is actually a support level, and it go all the way up again. So right now it breaks above. So the next level, the next target level should be around this area, because previously it also act as a resistance level. So you know that right now Bitcoin has already closed above this resistance level. So in order for you to do that, if you want to make a trade, for example, if you're ready to make a trade, you want to make a buy. So one thing you need to do is you need to know where is your profit level. Okay, your profit level can be around this area. Let's assume it's 43,000. Okay, and your stop loss. Okay, stop loss is whenever you hit the stop loss, you will be automatically out from the market. Okay, for example, if you want to put your stop loss, I usually put the stop loss below this support level for it to have a gap to go back up or to reverse back up. So right now you know that your entry level is here, and your stop loss is here, and your take profit level is here. So in order for you to know how much you're losing or how much you're winning, you can actually go and click this long position and just click somewhere here. Then you can drag it somewhere here and somewhere here to see your P&L, your risk reward ratio. So the risk reward ratio is, if you lose 4%. If you win 4.81%. Can you see that? So you know that this is a trade, a 1-to-1 ratio. So whether you want to take it or not is up to you. Okay, so assume that you want to take this order. The second thing is you need to do is you need to know your risk management. Okay, how to do your risk management is very easy. Okay, for example, your entry level is here, 41519. Okay, so come back to here. Okay, this calculator is very simple. Okay, for example, imagine you have 10,000 US dollar to trade. So your risk capital can be 3%, 1%, up to you. Okay, let's assume you put 3%. So every trade you are able to lose $300. So the first part is for you to calculate your risk. So a lot of people, right, when they trade futures trading, right, you see a lot of people will like every day also will stare at the phone, will stare at the computer, most of the time 24/7, non-stop. Why? Because they're scared. They're scared of losing because they don't know where is their risk, or they cannot afford to lose that much of money. That's the reason why they keep on staring. But let's say if you know that you are losing that much of money and you accepted it, then you won't be so scared. You won't be every day looking at it. You just set it and then just let it go, correct? So assume, okay, let's say if you're afraid to lose so much of money, okay, in the end, you can actually play around with this 3%. You can go all the way down to 1%, then it will change to $100. So 10,000 US dollar capital, your risk 1%, you will afford to lose every trade $100. Is that okay for you? Okay, let's say you are okay with $100. Okay, the next thing you need to do, you need to put in the entry price. Okay, for example, the entry price just now was around 41553. Let's assume it's 41553. So I'll put here 41553. Now you need to put your stop loss. Your stop loss is somewhere around 39,900. Okay, let's assume that 39,900, and your take profit level can be on around this 43,600. Okay, let's assume 43,600. So you are taking a long shot, and this one you can see automatic calculated. If you lose $100, and if you win $123 from the capital that you put in. So right now, what you need to do is you look at this position size. This is what you need to input accordingly in the market. So once I have this position size ready here, which is 2514, I just need to copy paste this into this column. Okay, it's fixed. You just need to just copy paste that, and this is the entry price that we just mentioned earlier, which is this 41553. So once you have input these two, and you will be good to go. You just need to change the leverage according to this Excel sheet. Okay, this Excel sheet, we already automatically select for you the leverage, the maximum leverage that you can use on this trade. This is because we want to make sure that this position margin, the amount is always higher than your risk amount, so that you won't be getting liquidated before hitting a stop loss. So this is the reason why we actually automatically select the best leverage for you to put in. So let's say if you want to select 20, you can actually straight away go here and change it to 20. You just need to drag from 5 all the way to 20, and you will be good to go. And after that, you will just need to click this button, buy. So once you have opened the order, you can go into this position or this open order. If you haven't get your order triggered, it will be here. Okay, let's say if you triggered that, it will go into position whereby it's already triggered. So once it's triggered, you can see that your just now what you have input it is all here. And right now you can actually put the stop loss and the profit level if you want to. For example, let's say if I want to put the stop loss and this TP level is actually on the right side here, which is this stop limit button. So once you have clicked it, you can actually put the take profit level and the stop loss. So for example, if I just now that I actually input this is my stop loss 39,900, I just copy this and I need to paste it here, and I need to copy this profit level and I need to paste it here. You see here, if I win $6. If I lose $5. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So let's say if I okay with this, I just click confirm and it will be good to go. So it will be all written here straight away. But let's say if you want to do manually close, you can actually click this close button to close it manually. Let's say if you are happy with the profit that you are getting right now, then you can straight away close if you want. So right now I don't have 10,000 USDT. I only have $24 just now, so I won't be able to use this calculator. But this calculator works well for you if you are playing future trading as a beginner. So you just need to put the capital, the affordable risk that that you can able to lose, and you can just put your entry price. For example, Bitcoin, you just put Bitcoin price, the stop loss, the take profit, and you want to put long or short position. So if you short, then you just put short. If you long, you put long, and the profit will be automatically calculated, and you can put according to the leverage that you want, that you prefer the most according to the Excel sheet that advise you to do it. If let's say if it's up to 20, you can actually adjust the leverage up to 20 and make sure that the leverage, the position margin is always higher than your risk amount. So the position size is always fixed. You just need to copy paste this and you will be good to go. Okay, so I think that's all for today. I hope this is very helpful for you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, goodbye.